In this video, we are going to walk you through everything you need to know from absolute beginner to confident fluent English. From learning words and phrases, mastering grammar, building vocabulary, improving pronunciation, and even thinking in English, we got you all covered step by step, simple and real. So if you haven't already, get nice and comfortable and let's start our journey to fluency. All right, let's dive in. Tip number one, and this is a big one. Have a goal in mind. Know your reason why. Learning English isn't just about memorizing words and passing tests. It's about connecting it to your life. Ask yourself, why do I want to learn English? Do you want to travel, work abroad, watch movies without subtitles, or maybe connect with people around the world? Know your reason why. Whatever it is, keep that goal clear in your mind. It's your motivation, your fuel when things get tough, and they will. Remember, your reason why will keep you going. Tip number two, repetition is key. You don't need to memorize everything all at once. In fact, you shouldn't. The real magic happens when you see, hear, and use the same words and phrases over and over and over again. Think how kids learn. They repeat the same thing a lot, and it works. So don't be afraid to rewatch the same video, reread the same story, or say the same sentence 10 times. The more your brain sees it, the more it sticks to your head. Repetition builds confidence. Repetition builds fluency. Number three, learn grammar, but don't get obsessed with it. Look, when you're starting out, you're just like a newborn in a language. So you don't need to speak perfectly. You just need to start speaking. A little grammar goes in a long way in the beginning. Focus on the basics, simple sentences structures, common verb tenses, and useful phrases. Get comfortable making mistakes. That's how you grow. Think about how babies learn. They actually don't learn, they acquire a language. They don't worry about grammar rules. They learn everything by using it, by living it. So don't worry. Even native people, they make mistakes in grammar, and that's normal. So don't let it stopping you from communicating yourself. Man, tip number four is going to be really interesting. Immerse yourself. Create a mini country in your house. You don't need a plane ticket to live in a English speaking country per se. Just break the language into your daily life. First things first, change your phone settings to English. Label objects around your house, like chairs, boxes, couches, beds. Talk to yourself in the mirror. Watch shows, listen to music, and try to even think in English. That's going to make you learn a lot. The more your brain is surrounded by the language, the faster it learns. Make English part of your world, not just something you study. It's something you live. Pretend your home is your own little English speaking country and you are the newest citizen of this nation. Tip number five, consume you actually enjoy in English. Forget about boring textbooks for a minute and try to take a look at things you like. What do you love? Movies, music, gaming, cooking, shows, whatever. Podcasts about I don't know, technology, crime related things, police related things, whatever you like. Whatever you into, there's English content out there for you. And yeah, when you're enjoying um what you're watching and listening to, it doesn't feel like you're studying at all. And in this way, you're not just going to learn words, you're going to learn the way people speak, the rhythm, the slang, the culture, and your brain absorbs it more naturally when you're having fun. So enjoy it. Go binge watch that series, jam to your favorite songs, or read that comic book. English can be entertainment and education at the same time. One of the movies that really marked my childhood was Cars, and I actually picked up that one to learn English too. I used to watch it over and over in my first language, of course. But when I started to learn English, I actually went back to that movie and rewatched it again. What a nostalgia, man. I already knew the story, so it felt familiar to me, and that made it easier to catch new words and understand what the characters were saying. And because it's full of expressions like ka-chow or speed, I am speed, or life is a highway, you start to pick up new vocabulary, and your English goes more naturally with different expressions and different sounds and different situations. So try on your childhood movie, one that you love, that you have fun with, that you feel it's going to make you learn faster without even realizing it. And finally, tip number 6, don't translate. Seriously, don't do it. This is a huge one and something a lot of learners struggle with. I personally did it. When I was learning English, I got into the intermediate level, translating only to Portuguese, and my mind was thinking in Portuguese before I could say anything in English. When you hear a word like apple, don't pause to think, um, what is this in my language? What is that in my language? Just see the apple, picture it, feel it. Because here's the deal, every time you translate, you're slowing down your brain. You're taking a detour, per se. The goal is to connect English words directly to the meaning, like when you were a kid learning your first language. So instead of building a dictionary in your head, build a mental movie. Link new words to images, actions, sounds, emotions. Okay, if you see a chair, picture the one you may be sitting on right now. Run, imagine yourself spreading. The more you skip translation, the faster your English becomes part of your thoughts. And that's a real goal, to become the language. It's not only about learning it, it's about understanding the little and small detail. Try it out today. Pick a few new words and don't look them up in your language. Just go on Google, search for images, watch videos, or act them out. Make it fun, make it real. Learning English is a journey. And just like in cars, it's not about the finish line, it's about the road you take to get there. So be patient with yourself, stay consistent, and most importantly, have fun. You're not just learning a language, you're unlocking a whole new world of opportunities and possibility. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe and share it with someone who's also learning English. Oh, yeah. And In the comment section, tell me what's your favorite childhood movie and if you ever tried to watch it in English. Thanks for watching, and remember, you've got this.